Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance. Also, PST, all documentation should be current. If you have any students with yearbook money, please send them to see Miss Smith first thing this morning. There are very few left. Today's late duty is Miss Lee. Tomorrow's Miss Hogan. Thursday, Miss Granger. And Friday is Miss Peralta. Important dates. We have a lot going on. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. We are appreciating our teachers. Also, we have already Math Diagnostic. May 5th, we have the DeBakey Drug Bus. May 6th is School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th is SWAT for 4th grade. May 9th through 11th is also our Reading Diagnostic for grades K through 5. May 10th, we have Vision Research on campus. May 11th is our Grad Walk. May 11th is also our National School Nurses Day. May 12th, we have our spring picnic, and letters about that should have went home yesterday. So make sure those have gone into backpacks and take-home folders. May 18th is PST, and May 19th is Math PLT. Our schedule for our Ready Math Diagnostic, we had a small change in the schedule for today, but 3rd grade is testing today in various locations. 4th grade will be testing tomorrow, as well as some of the 5th grade. And then Thursday, we'll finish up 4th and 5th. If you have students that did not finish, we will pull those to do like a makeup finish up session. So don't worry about that. It will be in the afternoon one day this week. May not be today with the other festivities we have going on in the Collab Lab today around lunchtime, but do not worry. We will pull your little friends and make sure those diagnostic growth measures get finished. End of the year already Reading Diagnostic will be 9th through 11th. So this is the schedule for that. If you have any questions about either of the iReady or the HMH, see Miss Mullen or Miss Spiegelberg respectively, and they can answer all of your questions. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.